Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video we learn how to fix x input 1 underscore 3 dot DLL missing error. So firstly open any browser and type here DirectX. Make enter. Click on first link. It's from official Microsoft website. Now scroll down. Now you will see this page, DirectX and user runtime web installer. So download and install. Your missing file will be solved. And if you want to know more instruction, so here is all the detail. Simply click on download and click on here. Click on save. After download, double click and click on install anyway. Now click on yes. Click on accept and next. Next. Click on next. Now after finishing installation, restart your computer. So friends, by this easy method, you can fix x input 1 underscore 3 dot DLL missing error. Thanks for watching this video.